Okay, we're taking a look at my 1941 Chevy running and driving project. It's got a front S10 stub on it, so power steering, power brakes, 350 motor, 400 turbo automatic transmission, all in primer. As you can see, body's in really good shape on this truck. I'm not saying there's not any filler in it, but the cab corners, floors are in really nice shape. The rear fenders do have some filler in them to make them look that good. Bed floor is just a steel floor, just kind of tacked on there. Got a new fuel cell in the back. Simple wiring harness with signals, brake lights, horn, even the electric wiper hooked up and working. Really is a great looking truck. Sitting here, like I said, all the signals, lights, all that work. Now let's see here, interior, really nice shape for a 41. Bottom of the doors look really good. Floors look really good. There's a spot right in there, and same on the other side. But overall, real nice. Pretty cool old vintage style seat. Newer steering column. And aftermarket gauges. Fuel gauge does work, believe it or not. So let's fire this thing up. Here we go. It does have some plexiglass, rear glass, driver's side glass is plexiglass. I think the driver's side window, front windshield is plexiglass. They have new exhaust coming out the back, new aluminum radiator fan hooked up. Does have some pretty low gears in the rear end, probably 410s. So the way it's set up, it's a 50-mile-an-hour truck. I mean, it's just basically a cruising around truck. Much potential.